empowering young learners to explore, discover, and thrive in a digital world. InternGuru envisions a future where education is not just about acquiring knowledge, but also about nurturing critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and a passion for continuous learning. Welcome to InternGuru students. Join our fun 8-week Python training program designed specifically for students. Let's take a look at what they'll learn. In week 1, we start with an introduction to Python. Students set up their environment and write their very first programs. In week 2, we dive into operators and control flow. Through interactive challenges, they master conditional statements and loops. Week 3 focuses on data structures like strings, lists, and tuples. Students learn to organize and manipulate data creatively. In week 4, we explore dictionaries and sets, plus how to create their own functions. This makes coding easier and more powerful. Week 5 introduces lambda functions and modules. Students get hands-on experience with standard libraries, enhancing their coding skills. In week 6, we learn about object-oriented programming. Students create classes and understand inheritance through engaging projects. Week 7 covers file handling and error management. Students learn to work with files and troubleshoot errors like experts. Finally, in week 8, they connect to databases and build amazing projects. Students showcase their creations, applying everything they've learned. Join InternGuru students today and unlock your child's potential in coding. Fun, creativity, and learning await. Visit our website to enroll now and start the coding adventure.